Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and this is Just Show Budgets. And today we are in a different um, area of the house. My desk is being redone, my office, so I don't have um, that put together right now. Hopefully, we will get it finished this weekend, and I'll get that picked up and be back to having my normal white uh, background. For now, we are at my dining room table. So hopefully there's not too much movement on this. I am in the common areas, so I apologize for all the background noise, and my cats will probably jump up here because they just want to be nosy. But today we are going to be doing our Food Truck Friday. And I didn't bring any markers with me. 2 seconds. Okay, sorry about that. So my table, for anyone who is wondering, my table is a custom table we purchased last year. As I've mentioned several times before, we are a Nightmare Before Christmas family. And so that's what this is. It's just a Nightmare Before Christmas epoxy table. So there's Zero, Sally Jack. We have Oogie Boogie down here. So we have Oogie Boogie down here, and then we have our last name here. The Oogie Boogie kids are here. So that is my table. Again, it was something that we purchased last year before we started wanting to get serious about debt. And give me 2 seconds to readjust all of this. Okay, perfect. So we does not want to cooperate with me now. Okay, that should be good for now. Okay, so apologies for that. Okay, so we have we purchased this table before we started getting serious about debt and just wanting to set up a better financial future for ourselves as well as our children. So that leads us to now. Today we are going to be doing Food Truck Friday. So I did go to the bank, and we'll be pulling out our money here. We have, that is for Mini Mondays, Tiny Tuesdays. Okay, so in our food envelope, we had $25 left over. We're going to add $1.25 to my, that gives us $150. For household, we're going to take out, let's just go ahead and take out the full 30. We're going to put 20, 30, 35, 40. in our household. I do believe I purchased everything that I need for the house. So this will just be money. Actually, I think I need salt for my water softener. We do have a soft water soft water. What is it called? It is a soft water softening system. So miscellaneous had 15 left over. We're going to put 20, 30. Okay, sorry about that, friends. Chaos, I tell you, chaos. Are you doing great? Yes, I'm recording. Oh. So miscellaneous is going to have 20, 30, 35, and 40 as well. And then I don't know if I should pick out my pets just yet. Next Friday is the first. Well, yes. Next Thursday is the first. We'll wait till next week, and then we'll fill this out next week. Okay, so that is my wallet refilled. So we have these 10s. Look at this 10. Crazy. We have, it looks like 20, 30, 40, and $5 to play with this week for Food Truck Friday. And for Food Truck Friday, I use Food Truck Friday to fund my sinking funds because right now my budget does not allow me to put specific money aside. So what I do is every week I take the remaining money out of my wallet and I put it into Food Truck Friday. So that way I can fund those sinking funds. So I also fund my okay, friends. So Food Truck Friday. I have done stuff my wallet. I did not have my mic on me. I do now. I use Food Truck Friday to stuff my sinking funds because I don't have a specific budget for it. And so that gets filled with my Food Truck Friday. I also fill my no spend challenge with the money that I have from no spending. And we're going to go ahead and put $7 in here today because I have not spent anything extra. I do not have change. Let me pull it from here. Let's pull that. Oops. So I'm just going to pull it from my ding, ding, ding. Actually, let's do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we are going to put 7. So we're going to put 10, 11, 12, 13 back, and we'll take the 20. And this challenge is from Kay over at KK Budgets. So now we have 21, 2, 3, and 4. We have 24 in our April no spend. Okay, and then we are going to pull our Food Truck Friday. Let's get this. So that leaves us $35, $36, $37, $38 to play with in Food Truck Friday. So Food Truck Friday is a challenge from Jess over at Tobin Budgets. I have 2.0 and 1.0 in here. I did purchase 1.0 after 2.0 because I really enjoyed it. It looks like we have an IOU here for $1. So I've just been playing with, let's put 4, 5, so that leaves $15 in here. So I've been mixing and matching 2.0 and 1.0. I use a 12-sided dice and a 3-sided dice. And if it lands on 15, then I use that for number 1. If it lands on 15, then I use that for number 1. Since I'm rolling 2 dice, I do not have a chance to roll a 1. So I use 15 as number 1. So we'll go ahead and get started. I do apologize for the lighting. I know it's really horrible. My ring light decided to go out at the same time. So we have, that's a 3 and a 1, so that's 4. This is going to debt. We're going to roll a 6-sided dice, and it's going to be $4. So let's take $6 and put a 10. And we need to put a 4. Okay, so now we have $20 in this challenge. It's going to debt. We have a 9 and a 1, so that's 10. This is going to lawn care. And it is a 5. Excuse me. Okay, so we'll put back a 5 and take a 10. This now has 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and $34. And that's for lawn care. We have spot number 4 again. This is debt. And that's going to be another $4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 going into debt. And that gives us $24. We have 9, 10, 11. This is our burgers and fries. We have 3 scratchers left. This is going to travel, so let's let's go ahead and finish it. They're all $3, so it should be $369. We have French fries, a burger, and another burger. And that was $9. Let's put a 1 back and take 2 5s. This challenge saved us $20, $40, $50, $55, and $60. So woohoo! We'll fill our ding, ding, ding at the end. I didn't bring my paper clips, so we'll go ahead and leave that there. Let me know in the comments if you want me to put this in my travel binder, my 90s box, or if I should just put it straight into my travel envelope. I do have a travel envelope here for travel. So let me know, should I just put it directly in here or should I put it in my 90s box? Okay, and we'll bring in another. This is going to be from 1.0. Doesn't look like I pulled one out for it. So let's go ahead and I will fill that in a minute. If we get number 11 again, then we'll just go on to the next challenge. So we have 13. This is going to medical. I actually need to reassign this because we found our FSA card. So now I have medical completely covered. Let's go ahead and roll. That's going to be $6 going in here. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll take the last 2 5s. So far, this now has 20, 25, 30, 35, and $40 in medical that's going to be reassigned. We have a few dollars left, so let's go one more time. We're going to number 3. Number 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 6. Let's just go ahead and roll 2 more times. 6 again. And 2. So 12, 13, and 14. We owe this $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 14. 12, 13, 14. So we finished this one as well. Let's put this crummy tin in here. And this challenge is going to my truck tags. I think I'm going to do $120. I'm not sure exactly how much it's going to be. I assume it's somewhere around the $90 mark, but who knows what the new rates are. So I'm going to estimate 120. So these are going to my truck tags. 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So that's going to give me $93 for my truck tag. So I'm almost there. Once I get the 120 that I need, then I'm going to insert something else in here. So woohoo, a second challenge finished. I do believe I have that one. This is from 1.0. Food Truck Friday 1.0 barbecue. So we'll roll and save on this one. And that's going to go to my truck tags. And then the other one we needed was number 11. 11. It was from, what was it from? It was from Travel. So let's see. I don't have Travel here, so let's see what we have. Let's go ahead and make this medical one Travel, since we no longer need medical.
Yeah. If you want at dinner time, you can stop by Dad's house. I'm cooking dinner.
Okay. Try and make sure that's dry before we put it in. And then that'll be a roll and save as well. So that is all we have for our Food Truck Friday. Let's go ahead and put our $2 in for our ding, ding, ding. So we have $2. This ding, ding, ding is a freebie over at Donna Powered by Creativity. I believe it's on her Google Drive, but she'll be linked below, as well as Jess and Kay. And then again, let me know in the comments if I should play this money for Travel in my 90s box, or if I should just go ahead and stuff it in my envelope. And then my truck tags, I will go ahead and just stuff in my envelope. I do have my truck tags here. So you have 20, 40, 60. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. So about a $32-ish for that. And then we can put something else in here. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to stick around, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.